Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll take you inside my dream parrot aviary and show you how I care for my parrots every single day. From feeding and cleaning to fun playtime, you'll see everything that keeps my parrots happy and healthy. Hello, good morning Hedan. Today I want to introduce you to Hedan, my beautiful 4-year-old parrot. Every single day, she waits for me, excited for her favorite treat. The moment I step into the aviary, she knows exactly what's coming first, a peanut. Nothing makes her happier. She's not alone. Her companion Pipan lives with her in the same aviary. He also loves peanuts just as much, and together they make a perfect in-aviary friend. As you can see, Hedan is asking for more treats, so today I'm giving her something special, a piece of bread with egg. Let's see how she enjoys this new snack. Watch Hedan and Pipan enjoy their food is such a joy, and it's moments like these that make caring for parrots so rewarding. And now, let me introduce you to another very special parrot. Alex. He's such a beautiful bird, and just like Hedan, he's always waiting for me every morning. The very first thing he wants is, of course, a peanut. Alex gets so excited when he sees me, and he loves that special bond we share. But he's not alone. He lives happily here with 5 other parrots, both males and females. They all enjoy life together in this big aviary, flying, playing, and sharing treats side by side. It's wonderful to see them all living together peacefully, like one big family. Now I'll show you my routine for water and seed trays. I always work from the first aviary to the last, so nothing gets missed. First I take out the old water tray, I pour out the old water and then I wash the tray. I use warm water every morning because it helps dissolve residue and the birds prefer it. If a tray needs extra cleaning, I give it a scrub and rinse well. Then I refill with fresh, warm water and put it back. I also empty the seed trays. I take out all the old seed and place it aside. I run some seed through my seed cleaner machine to remove dust and husks, and anything I won't feed back to the parrots. The seeds that are still okay I keep aside for my pigeons. I don't waste good food. For my parrots I always put fresh new seed into the trays. Removing seed, seed cleaner machine, pouring old seed into a bucket labeled pigeons, and fresh seed pouring into trays. Along with fresh seed and soft food, I always like to give some extra nutrition. In this small bowl, I'm putting a few dry grapes. These are a healthy treat for the birds, but I only give them in small amounts. In another bowl, I've ground up some eggshell powder using a stone. This is pure calcium, very important for strong bones, healthy feathers, and for the mums who are laying eggs. My budgies especially love it, and in this bowl, I've mixed some small grit. Grit helps the birds digest their food properly and keeps their stomachs healthy. These small extras may look simple, but they are very important for the health of every bird inside the aviary. For soft food and mums with chicks, I make a warm, soft mix, a little piece of bread mixed with egg, soaked in warm water, and some soaked corn or softened seed. Now for the birds who are laying eggs and for the mums with small chicks, I give them something special. I boil an egg, then I crush it together with the eggshell and bread. I mix it well by hand, nice and soft. This gives them extra strength, protein, and calcium. I share this with all the parrots and budgies who have small chicks, together with the other soft food. Step by step I will show you how I prepare it and how the birds enjoy it. Today I'm making a special treat for the birds, corn seeds. These seeds have been soaking in warm water for 2 days. This morning I boiled them for about 15 minutes, then left them in the warm water. Now I'm rinsing them again in warm water and I will leave them to drain for 2 hours, so they can dry properly. When they are ready, I'll give them to my budgies and the rest of the parrots. They really love this as a treat. I don't give it every day. I like to change their treats so they get something different each time. So today is the day for corn seed and wheat seed. In the next step I'll show you another type of soft food I prepare for them. I soak it until it's soft and easy for the babies and for mums to feed them. I also prepare fresh fruit and chop small pieces so the birds can eat easily. Mixing bread plus egg plus warm water, soaking seeds, spooning into small bowls, label bowls, babies, adults. Now you can see how I prepare food in every single aviary, morning and evening. First, I always change the water and give fresh food. Every day I also prepare small bowls for treats. These bowls are for training and for giving something different. Sometimes mixed fruit, sometimes calcium, sometimes soaked seed. I like to change the treat every day so the birds always have something new. All the old food is removed, and I put in fresh seed and soft food. Rotten or leftover food is never left inside. As you can see, I hang the trays with a chain from the ceiling. The seed tray hangs down about 1 meter from the floor. This makes it easy for me to clean and to serve food without disturbing the birds too much. On the other side, about 2 feet away, I also hang the water tray from the ceiling, the same level as the seed tray. That way, if a bird wants water while eating, it can just fly across and drink easily. Sometimes they even use the tray for a quick bath. But normally I give them a separate bath tray on the floor when they need it. This is the routine I follow in every aviary, morning and evening: fresh water, fresh food, and always a new little treat. Now I am done with all the aviaries. Every tray is clean, with fresh water and new seed. I also added today's special treats. Each bird is different. For example, the Alexandrian parrots enjoy different food compared to the Amazons, and cockatiels also like their own mix. So I carefully check what each parrot likes while I clean their trays. First, I always change the water. Then, for the seed trays, I make sure not to mix foods from one aviary with another. Step by step, I change and refill each tray. Now, come with me as I take you through every aviary so you can see how they enjoy their breakfast with fresh fruit, fresh seeds, and their favorite treats. Thanks for watching all the way to the end, it means a lot. If you want more videos showing how I make soft food, build perches, or care for chicks, tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share with other bird lovers. Take care and I'll see you in the next one.